So up to 5 the purity is at 95%, light is at green color, everything is working fine. Now let us keep the flow rate at 6 and see what is the purity. Now I have kept the flow rate to 6 liters and from 95% I can see the purity to drop. Approximately I have started that at 10:59. Let us see, let us give like 5 minutes time, around 11:05. Let us check what purity and whether that 6 is keeping it stable. Now it's approximately 11:30. I had some work, I was not able to so it's better that we give more time to the machine. Also the machine counter, you can see 37 minutes it has run at 6 liters flow, whereas the purity is still very good. So for those customers who require at 6 liters, they may not even go for a 10 liter machine, because even at 6 the machine is continuously giving 92% purity. It is running very good. So now let us try with 7 liters flow. So now, okay, it has gone very high. Okay, right. 7 liters, time is 37 minutes, purity also starts to drop. Now let us see, in 7 liters we give the machine some time. Let us check when the counter turns to 48. My time is also 11:30. Let us see how it performs at 7 liters. Okay, now the time is actually around 11:40. And here also you can check the timer is at 49 minutes digitally, and now you see it was going to E2, and technically if you look at our brochure, E2 will come when the purity is between 50 to 82%, but again it has come to green color because when we keep it at 7, it is approximately at 7.3, a little bit higher flow only. Still the machine is able to get a purity of around 80%. Still this is not bad for any emergency patients. Instead of 6, if they require 7 liters also, still they will be able to get it around this 80-82% of oxygen purity. And whenever that goes less than 82 only, that it is coming as E2. But E2 will not give any alarm or disturb the patient. It is just indication that purity has dropped less than 82. So whenever it comes like 81 or something, it goes E2, but it's on the borderline only. So even at 7 flow rate, the machine is still giving a good purity level. Now let us try with 8. I think that will be the maximum flow rate possible by the equipment, and we will see how below the purity drops down. We will give that also like 10 minutes time. Okay, now the time is almost 11:57. Okay, and now you see the flow is almost around 8.5 to 9. So with the flow we are keeping more than 8, it is fluctuating between 8 to 9. But still the purity of oxygen supplied is 76%. This is the purity of oxygen. Now finally I am going to try at the maximum level and see what is the final purity we are getting from this machine. Okay, almost 12:07. The knob is at maximum now, it cannot be tilted more. Ball also has gone past that mark, and if you see the flow rate, it is just fluctuating. It will go to 9.3, 9.5, 9.7, come back to 8.5. So when we keep it at the maximum, at least it is going from between 8 to 9.5. 8.5, that range it is actually circulating. Whenever that zeolite, that carbon dioxide is flushing, we are getting this one. In Entrusted, we follow strict quality practices and we never guide our customers in the wrong way. So even though this machine has the capacity to go beyond 5, and it is very comfortable at 6, at 7 also it is manageable, 8 and 9 the flow rates are increasing, but the purity is only around 70s range. Still we are not going to market this item like the dealers and the resellers that it can go up to 9 or 10 and etc. So it's going to be marketed at 5 only, but still the customer will have an option to use 6 whenever he requires.